Hey boss, someone's asking if this glue can fix gas tanks. Absolutely, I highly recommend this glue because it's super strong. Not only that, it can be applied to all surfaces like motorcycle fuel tanks, leaking ceramic engine blocks, wooden tanks, iron asbestos, cracked walls, wood, and more. Why is this glue so strong? Because it's made from epoxy and hardener, so it can stick and patch up quickly. Plus, if you check out today, you'll get a discount. Don't miss out. Hurry and grab the discount in the yellow basket now.